Hi, I'm John Bailey with another Car Keys Express Insider Tip. Counterfeit car keys are alive and well. Here's how to keep your business from being at risk. Counterfeit keys are a serious and growing problem in the key replacement industry. Aside from the obvious ethical issues, counterfeits can expose you and your customers to products that only work temporarily and could even expose you to legal risks. First, how did this happen? Increasing technology in keys has driven up their cost, pushing traditional aftermarket key manufacturers out of the market. With no aftermarket options, modern car keys have become OEM only, making them scarce and expensive, creating ideal circumstances for counterfeiting. So why avoid counterfeits? High failure rates. Counterfeit keys can work only temporarily. Without getting into too much tech talk, keys have software on them. When that software is copied, the new counterfeit key can lose the ability to work over and over again, giving it limited uses. So weeks or months later, it'll stop working when your customers least expect it. The use of counterfeit goods isn't just wrong. Their use is against company codes of conduct and a violation of dealership franchise agreements. And remember, it's illegal. The FBI has been aggressively enforcing these laws, and convictions are common, including this one for counterfeit General Motors and BMW keys. Our commitment to stop counterfeits is the strongest in the industry. We even created a research and development division just to make keys that challenge illegal counterfeits. We saw the opportunity to be a global leader making honest keys. Today, we're the only company in the world that makes legitimate aftermarket versions of the newest keys, like remote keys and smart keys. And one last thing, Car Keys Express also offers guaranteed best selection and guaranteed lowest prices. Now you never need to risk using counterfeits. Thanks for joining us. From the Car Keys Express headquarters, I'm John Bailey.